Hello from Superior Van and Mobility. Today we're looking at the BraunAbility CompanionVan Plus XT conversion on the Dodge Grand Caravan chassis. This conversion comes with the 14-inch floor drop and has the same cut as the Intervan XT. With that, you'll get the 29.25-inch ramp width and the 56.5-inch door opening height. This one does not have the power Neil system or the power Braun integration. You will get a B-pillar switch to stow and deploy the ramp. This helps eliminate cost of the Neil system and Braun integration system. The ramp capacity is 1,000 pounds, same as the XT conversion. Upon entering, you'll notice that you can still remove your front seats, which will allow for multiple seating options, with carpet being standard, but with the optional upgrade for rubber flooring. The rear passengers will get retractable footrest for comfort while riding in the back. Here at Superior Van and Mobility, we can install a secondary remote that will operate the ramp in and out. This will allow for easy access without having to open the passenger door. Please visit your local Superior Van and Mobility or superiorvan.com today for more information.